It was really good, people. Welcome back. As soon as back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is Gucci with you. I got this 2014 Chevy Cruze. This is the first generation that will be from 2011 to 2015. So if you have a car between those years, this video is for you. I'm going to show you real quick how to replace the thermostat, how to get to it, and inspect it. All right. This car has 44,000 miles. You see that little puddle of orange coolant right here? That's because the thermostat cracked somehow. Could be the ceiling, I don't know, or the O-ring, whatever it is. That's why we're here to inspect it. Okay? Like I said, this car has 44,000 miles. Give it a take. Before I jump into the action, I just want to give shout outs to the supporters. Thank you, love you, Pulse. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? Thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart. All right. More or less, I'm not going to hold you up. Let's get it. How to replace this thermostat. All right. Boom. I want to say maybe it's the old ring. And it's still leaking. Okay. Let's get to it. I was gonna like test it with the I was about to put some pressure in it, in the system, in the cooling system, but I didn't need to because I went straight to the spot, trying to pinpoint the problem, and thermostat was leaking. So I don't need this. Yeah, this is my baby. I'm gonna remove the neck for the air filter, 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter. Ventilation, air ventilation. Just plastic is. If you're trying to remove this and it's kind of hard, pulse, spray some WD-40. Try it again. If it doesn't work because it's brittle, the plastic is brittle, use something like this. Bring it up here, lift it, bring it down here, lift it. There you go. All right. And we're gonna do this one. This one right here, this connector. Do the same lock pick, lift it like that, push it up, all right? There you go. Now this thermostat has 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3 right here. right below this one. For those bolts, we're gonna use this one, E10. This is my set. All right. I'm gonna take advantage that the hose is connected here. I'm gonna disconnect it. Okay, like that. Now we're gonna remove this. I'm gonna come through with this, or you can come with any flat screwdriver. Put it here. And at the same time, with the other hand, wiggle it out. Okay. Hose, put it around here so it's not on your way. Look. See that? Yeah, it seems like it's cracked. Let's see. Okay. Don't be tripping because the bolts the bolts has the same length. All right, same length. I'm gonna have to remove this clamp also. Okay. Clean this. All right. I'm gonna clean that with a Scotch-Brite. Sorry for the background noise, but yeah, I just clean it. To get to this hose, I use this. I have this set. You can get it from Amazon. But to remove the clamp, this clamp, so then it's hanging out there. You see it? So then in the back, I use this one that comes in this set, and this guy. That's for the hose. All right. You better off using the right tools for the job. Know what I'm saying? Just this. With this, you do it all. All right. Tightening all that, putting everything back now. Yeah, start putting everything back. Okay. Push all the way in, put the clip back. That's pretty much it. All right, guys, everything's Gucci. I don't see no leaks. So everything's Gucci. Once you install the, put everything back, tap the coolant reservoir, top it off, and let it run. Turn on the heater in there, and let it run until the car blow hot air. Okay, right now it's still cold, so that's pretty much it in this baby. All right. If you have any questions, if you have a specific moment in this video, in the comment section, put the time. Let's say at the 3 minutes, put 3, the 2 dots, 00, space, your comment. The time is going to turn blue. So when I see the comment, I'm going to click on the time and it's going to take me to to that moment. And I'm going to see what you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way we can do this. I hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. Any questions, like I said, put in the comment box. Shout outs to the supporters. Love you all. Pause. And see you in the next one. All right. Happy holiday season. Okay. All right. Boom.